Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy and I upload videos every Sunday, so don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell as well so you do not miss when I do upload a new video. What I have for you guys today is an oatmeal banana muffin recipe, and I made it in two separate flavors. So the first flavor I made it in just a basic oatmeal banana chocolate muffin, and the other one I made it a little bit more chocolatey by making a double chocolate fudge oatmeal banana muffin. So let's just get straight into the recipe. You're going to need 3 cups of rolled oats, these nice little spices and seasonings here, a 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, 2.5 tablespoons of agave, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And these 3 eggs here, or you choose to use 2 large eggs if you have those. And oh my gosh, they're not staying still, but yes, 3 eggs here. Ooh, where are you going? You're gonna wanna mix them up and they're gonna look just like this. And need 3 bananas, which you're gonna mash, and they'll look like this after. One and a half cup of your choice of unsweetened milk. I chose to use cashew milk here. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna start by putting in all of the oats that we have. Pouring in the nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder here. And give that all a quick stir. We're going to grab a fresh new bowl and pour in our mixture of mashed bananas. Pour in the mixed eggs here. And all of your unsweetened milk of choice. You're going to want to give that a nice stir very evenly. Try to kind of mush out a little bit of the banana consistency, but I understand it's a little bit hard to do when you don't really have a mixer, so try your best to do a nice mixing here. Now I'm placing the bowl of oats, and you're going to want to pour in all of that wet mixture in with the oats and give that a really nice stir here. The oats are a little bit heavy, so you might need to exert a little bit more power here, but it'll take a couple minutes for you to just really stir it and coat everything evenly to have a nice thick batter here. So I'm just whipping out my scale here because I do want to make 2 separate flavors within just one muffin tin. So I'm just measuring out how much I have and pouring out half the mixture and just separating into 2 bowls, for one for the original banana oatmeal muffin and the other one for the double chocolate one. And we're gonna go back to the first bowl here. Now we're gonna make the second flavor. You're gonna pour in your cacao powder now, and all of that agave syrup.
and give it all a nice stir here. The cacao powder is really dry, so again, really work all that powder into the batter now. You can really see me scraping the sides to collect all the powder. You don't want to lose any of it, so you can really keep that nice cacao flavor. All right, so now the fun part. We're all done with the batter. You're gonna start loading everything up into the mixture here, but make sure that you you spray in some oil, or if you have the the muffin sheets, you don't really need to do this, but I'm doing this now to make it a little bit easier and for the muffins to not stick. And you can see I'm pouring in the first banana oatmeal batter here, and I top it all with the dark chocolate chips that we have. I'm using half of what I portioned out earlier. And I'm loading the chocolate flavor now. And again, I'm gonna top it the rest with the remaining of the dark chocolate chips that I have here. You're gonna bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And this is what the final product looks like after it comes out of the oven.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you do give the recipes a try. And if you do want to see more from me, don't forget to click subscribe. And I would love you to give me a follow on social media as well, or on Instagram. I'll link it below and just right here. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.